What's up, guys? If you're looking to reverse the steering on your LaTrax or Traxxas remote, then you've come to the right place. So you either got yourself a new RC or you're putting it together, you turn it on, and the steering's backwards. So not a big deal, it's very simple. And let's get started. Only button you need to concern yourself with is the set button on top. Both the Traxxas remotes and the LaTrax, they're pretty much one and the same. They both work the same. So what you're going to want to do is, first step, turn on your remote. Make sure you have good batteries in your remote. Should have a solid light, no flashing or nothing like that. Turn on the vehicle. And whenever you're messing with the radio or receiver or anything with your vehicle, it's probably always a safe bet to keep it propped up so it doesn't run away on you. So what you're going to want to do is the little red set button on top, hold it down until it starts flashing, and then you're going to turn the steering in one direction, press the set button once, and then your wheels should automatically set themselves, and you are good to go. If you found the video helpful, help me out and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in similar videos like this, go ahead and post a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching.